Musicians, what's your problem? No, you need to talk because we want to know your problem. You are shouting, give me combo. Combo they gave you. You are shouting, you are not hearing yourself. Upon the fact that you have combo, you are shouting they should give you monitor. They gave you in-ear monitor. What's your problem still shouting that you are not hearing yourself from the front of house? Is your village people pursuing you up and down? Or you don't know what is doing you? No, what is the essence of that in-ear monitor that we gave you? No, you know how much that thing cost? We gave you in-ear monitor, you are shouting, you need to go and learn the use of in-ear monitor. Maybe it's because you want to be using it to do alcohol up and down, because we don't know what's wrong with you. You're shouting volume, volume, volume. They give you in-ear monitor, you are not using it, you're shouting, you are not hearing yourself from the house. What's wrong with you? They'll still be talking to you now, you'll be doing a giddy up and down. Behave yourself.